Alright, this is day one, Saturday. Leaving out on the 7th. I'm here at BJ's, actually getting some gas, and then I'm headed out. Houston, Texas. Let's see how this journey pick me up, get me going. It's a 14-hour drive, so let's see how it works out. See you on the next stop. All right, I'm back. I am at the end of the road, past Tallahassee, almost in Mobile. I know y'all didn't know this, but it's a Mobile, Florida, and then I'll be hitting Mobile, Alabama, and going there next. It took about 5 to 6 hours just to get here, to see where we at now. 5 to 6 hours. That's crazy, right? Yep. All right. See you at the next state. Alright, so we finally made it here. Just showing you how everything is, how it look. As you can see, not too bad. I have no idea how to cut the lights on, but I will. And those couches right there, or that couch right there, will it come out bed, so that's not bad. Took me about 8 See, I left at 7:30, came about 8:30. So everything's pretty good. Nice little TV right here. As you can see, everything looks pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, so I'm on the 4th floor. All right, so on let's say Monday, because today's Saturday night. So let's say Monday, I will see you all then and start recording, trying to get the people in this game. Let's see how it works out. So remember, love is the key. Until then, God bless. Peace.